burp. Though it may be unpleasant for you and those around you, burping is a completely natural way to get rid of air swallowed during eating and drinking. It's also known as belching or eructation. Today's video discusses what you can do to stop and prevent burping.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Burping keeps your stomach from expanding too much from swallowed air. Air travels back up the esophagus, leading to an audible release that most people call a burp. You may swallow air when you eat or drink too quickly, drink carbonated beverages, breathe rapidly, laugh, foods high in starch, sugar or fiber, and issues with digestion or heartburn could also be to blame. You can treat burping episodes with a few simple tricks. If gas bloating and burping interferes with your day off, though it's a good idea to see a doctor. How to stop burping? Burping usually starts after you eat or drink. If you are burping a lot after a meal, you can try the following treatments to help your stomach release the excess air. Walk around or do light aerobics after eating. Physical activity helps with digestion. Lie on your side or try a knees to chest positions like the wind-relieving pose until the gas passes. Take an antacid to neutralize stomach acid and prevent heartburn, which can cause burping. Bismuth subsalicylate is particularly useful if your breath smells like sulfur. Drink ginger tea after eating. Ginger may help relieve gastrointestinal irritations and prevent stomach acids from flowing back up the esophagus. Chew fennel seeds after your meal. Though not backed by research, fennel is thought to help expel gas from the intestinal tract and assist digestion. Sip on chamomile tea. It's believed to help prevent acid reflux. Limit activities that cause you to swallow air quickly, like laughing and drinking too quickly. Tips to prevent burping. You can lessen your burping episodes by finding ways to reduce how much air you swallow. Change how you eat and drink. When is burping a problem? Burping is a part of life, but it's considered a problem when the symptoms become frequent and interferes with social situations. Excessive burping can be a sign of a more serious medical conditions. Nevertheless, people rarely consult their doctors about burping. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.